just finished raining, so I'm hoping that it actually rains a little bit more, because I do want to do some skids in the IS300 a little bit later, just to, you know, practice my reaction time, you know, when to counter steer, when to not. Even though this is not a manual car, it's just always good to practice, especially when it's raining, because then you don't eat up your tires. Anyways, I just got out of school like an hour ago, and I stopped at my girlfriend's house just to hang out with her for a little. So basically, if it rains, we're gonna do more skids, but if it doesn't rain, I plan on removing my front bumper, because I actually want to see if I can fix the fog lights. My fog lights actually don't work, and my first initial guess is that the bulbs are out. I have yet to like diagnose everything and see what's going on. I don't even know if they have bulbs in them. Well, all I know is when I flip the switch for the fogs, they just don't turn on. So I'm going to try to fix that, and if I can fix that problem, then I'm actually going to try to sand my fog lights and like clear the lenses up, because they're really oxidized. I'm going to try to see if I can wet sand it and bring them back to life, just so I don't have to buy a new pair of fog lights. But anyways, like I said in the last video, basically I said that I was going to be bringing a new car to the channel. If you guys follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, I always have it linked down below. If you aren't following me, be sure to do so. I've definitely dropped like really big hints on what I believe my next platform, what I think my next build will be. I have put, you know, little hints on what car I will be getting next. But yeah, guys, I haven't given away the car yet. I kind of want to continue to keep it low-key until I get the car, to kind of keep you guys waiting. But I'm honestly waiting for just the right car to come on the market. I have the money and everything. I'm just waiting, you know, for the right spec, the right miles. Obviously, it's going to be a manual transmission car. It has to be. But that's really all I'm going to tell you guys. And so yeah, just if you guys aren't subscribed, please do me the favor, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, because honestly it helps grow the channel. My goal right now is to hit 1K. We're almost at 500 subscribers. So if you guys went ahead and, you know, if you're not already, hit the subscribe button, it would mean the world to me, and you guys would be helping me make my dream come true by doing that also. So we're actually almost at 116,000 miles in this car. I've owned this car since 109,000 miles, a little bit over that. So I've actually had it for quite some time now, and I've really grown to love this car so much. Like, I absolutely love this car. The only thing really it's missing, I always say this, is a manual transmission. I've seen a couple of ISs on the market with manual transmissions, but they want astronomical prices. I've seen a couple for under 5 grand, which is a pretty good deal, but they get sold within the first 3 hours. So I never go down this road. I really want to see what's... Oh crap, big old speed bump. Oh, we clear. We're not too low. Honestly, that's a mansion right there. Must be nice. Whew. This road is absolutely terrible. We shouldn't have turned down here. Holy crap. Basically going off-roading. This like annoys me so much, is like when you're in the turning lane and then somebody's going straight and they're just blocking everybody that's trying to turn. That's like the biggest, not the biggest, but like one of the biggest pet peeves I have, like when I'm driving. I just wish I had like a truck I could just go off-roading. See if we can hit this turn. Oh no, there was somebody there. Alright. anytime though you like want to hit a spot, I'm good because I'm in Mexico, of course, but anytime you guys want to hit a spot, just be sure before you do anything crazy, just like scope out the area first, because you never know. So I think I'm good. Nice little, I guess, tail whip, if you want to call it that. We're gonna go around one more time, so I'm gonna try to see if I can hit that bank, and if I get it the first try, I get it. If not, I'm just gonna get out of there and, you know, not push my luck. All right, nobody coming that way. Here goes nothing. Kind of broke loose, but then we kind of gripped up again, so. I mean, would it hurt to try it one more time? I don't think it would hurt. All right, we got torque build up. Here we go, boys. Strip the e-brake right here. Nah, I didn't want to rip it. I got scared that somebody was coming out of the corner. Yeah, boys, we just hit the whole bank pretty good. The first time it was a little bit sketchy, but the second time, let's try to see if we can get a donut. I think we're gonna get out of here. The IS, it was struggling with traction a little. It was gripping up like half the time, and then half the time it was swinging. But back there, most of the time, the car kicked out pretty good for like an automatic car. Definitely the first time I hit the bank though, it kind of like gripped up and then it lost it again. But after that, I think we were good. If I do have to make a recommendation though, if you are planning to slide your IS auto or manual, I would recommend getting coilovers. It really helps the process. Just the OEM suspension from Toyota that these cars had stock, it just isn't really good, and there's a lot of like wheel hop, and it'll be way harder to, you know, swing your car versus installing coilovers, and then your suspension stiffs up a lot. It'll help you to swing the car even more so. I'm running 10 coilovers on this car, so that's just why I recommend it. I've had the chance to experience this car without coils and with coils, and trust me, ooh, 335i, clean ass boy. I definitely recommend coils. If it is one thing you guys do, make sure you do that if you want to swing these cars. Besides like suspension mods, I mean, that already came on the car when I bought the car, so even if you're in the market for one of these, you can get lucky and it can come with coilovers already. I was pretty lucky. So this car also came with drilled and slotted rotors, so that's pretty cool too. That's a plus. I've never been on this little back road with you guys, but I go on it a couple times. Oh, and there's a cop. Just act cool. Not doing anything, officer. Oh, there's another cop. Great. why are people running in the rain right now? Like, they gotta be out of their minds. Look at these guys. I guess they were just running and they just so happened to get rained on, but still, like, that's crazy. Alright boys, so I think I'm gonna head home after this. I don't know if the rain is gonna let up or not. If it does, I will pick up the camera and we can take my front bumper off. But if not, I'll probably pick up the camera tomorrow after I get out of school, and then I can do the fog lights then. So we'll see. So whenever I pick up the camera, I'll let you guys know. So until then, peace. What's good, everyone? I think I'm going to go ahead and just close out the video. It is the next day, but it's like nighttime. I took a nap today, so I didn't really film, but I do have good news on the Lexus. So notice how the fog lights, I said I was going to fix them. Well, you just come up here and turn the lights on. You can see that I got them both to work. It was honestly so dumb. I guess the guy that owned the car before me, he had the connectors in the wrong way. There were bulbs already in them. So basically all I did was turn the connectors around, and then I just bought new bulbs. Yeah, I'm kind of mad that I didn't go with LED fog lights to match up with the headlights, but it kind of looks like the JDM yellow and it kind of feeds into the theme of this car. So either way, I'm happy that the fog lights turn on. So with all that said, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and gas the Lexus up right now. I'm at 7-Eleven and I'm just going to close out the video. So if you guys did make it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me. And just be sure, if you already haven't, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps. With all that said, guys, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, night, evening, wherever you are. And just until the next video, I'm out. Peace. All right, guys, so the car is coming up, but I'm not letting Steven look at it yet. The car is behind me. 3, 2, 1.
And open them.
Boom.
Oh shit, I was not expecting that.
Yeah, so right now Jesus can look at the car, bro.
I can see it now?
Yeah, straight ahead, dude. Look at it.
Ooh, you put the wheels on it.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What do you think, bro?
Nice.
Guys, the car is literally like right here. Guys, if Jesus approves, I'm pretty sure you guys will too.